Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Okay, so as promised, this is actually the video that I'm going to do to share with you guys how I apply the tempered glass from Dbrand from a very initial user experience. So I just want to do this video because I think some of us we might be a bit scared, to do the pasting of tempered glass. So bear with me, I'm also following their tutorial as I do this, so I might have a little bit of pause here and there just to confirm that the application process is correct. Okay, so basically I just want to share with you guys what's inside the box content. So when you open it up, okay, it'll be like this, and then they'll have their accessories. Okay, not sure if you guys can see it. Okay, I think I can show this. Okay, all right, and then after that, okay, after that it will be two tempered glass. Okay, as I shared with you guys previously, I actually purchased the two-piece set. Okay, so I think that should be it. I don't think there's anything else here. I'm not sure what is this, but it looks so cool, you see guys, right? So there's something here. Okay, so without further ado, let me just go right in. Okay, so I think the first step, all right, is to make sure that you have ample lighting, that kind of stuff, just to make sure that you don't mess it up lah, basically, right? So I took out the cloth, okay, from Dbrand, okay, and even you see they are so they are so attentive to use. They actually ask you to just try to watch the video and don't be a smart aleck and do it yourself. But anyway, I'm going to be a smart aleck and do it myself. And look guys, they even have this sticker. I believe this is to remove the what's that called, the dust, okay, from your console. Okay, so today I'm going to go do the console. So the first step, okay, is to remove this alcohol wipe. Okay, so I'm going to clean this off. Okay, don't it's okay, there's a bit of water. Alright, I'm supposed that is fine. Okay, so alright, so this is something that you guys might want to try on your own. Okay, so after done, okay, use the dry cloth that they actually provide you, okay, and then you just clean it off. Okay, just make sure that all the dust has been removed. Okay, I think it should be fine now, right? So don't worry guys, if you're nervous, I'm just as nervous as you. Alright, that's why I bought that two-piece set, so if in case one is gone, I still have another backup, right? Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I think it should be doing okay-ish right now. Just need to remove some of the fingerprint that I have. Okay. Okay, just make sure that any fingerprint dust is being removed. Okay, so you can see that there's sometimes this small, this small little dust that's there, right? Just make sure that it's gone. Okay, right? So anyway, here is the bottom part, guys. Okay, here's the bottom part, right? Okay, so the next thing, right, guys, is to take out the screen protector itself. Okay, so I just took out one piece. Okay, right, so according to the guide, okay, this one should be on the top right, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so this is on the top right. So what's going to happen, right, guys? Remember this portion, right, this sticker, when you guys are aligning it, right, so do remember this is the one that when you are done, right, you have to peel off this and just let it flat down. Okay, so just remember, for now, don't think so much, just make sure that this arrow is over on the top right of the console, right? So this is the top, guys, this is the bottom. Okay, right, so just make sure that it's aligned properly. Okay, Alright, so the next thing that you need to do, right, is take out this from the 3M paper. Okay, I'm taking a while. Okay guys, so the next step, right, is to remove this sticker, okay, from the 3M sticker, okay, and paste it down. Okay, so normally what I'm doing now is I'm going to paste it on the tempered glass. Okay, I'm going to paste it there first, gently in the middle. Okay, right, so just to make sure, right, okay, the alignment is perfect. Okay, so you just need to make sure your alignment on the tempered glass is fully aligned to your OLED screen. Okay, so maybe I can show you guys. Okay, so you need to make sure that it's aligned. Okay, so once done, okay, once you confirm it's aligned. Okay, let me just press it down. Okay, okay, I'm supposed to press it down. Okay, and then make sure that this portion here, this bottom portion here, is being pressed down as well. Okay, so just to make sure. Okay, alright, so by right, okay, right now your whole screen should be filled up with the tempered glass. Okay, so just make sure that you press down here. Okay, just to make sure that it's there, it sticks there. Okay, so before you do the you do the pasting, right, or you tear the back portion, just make sure that you do one more time. Okay, make sure that there's no you know, dust and all that. Okay, just to make sure. I have a very dusty room, so that's why I always, you know, make sure that all the dust doesn't get landed here. Okay, alright, so I think it's supposed to be done. Okay, I don't think there's any more dust, hopefully. Okay, so right, okay, so I put this away. Right, so what you're going to do, right, is you are going to peel away this. Okay guys, so the moment of truth. Alright, so I just make sure that there's no more dust here. Okay, alright, so I just need to make sure, confirm again. So I'm being a bit long-winded because I just want to make sure that all these are being done. Okay, so once you're done, right, you confirm already, right, you make sure that this side is being tear off. Okay, alright, so what you're going to do, right, is you lay down the screen protector. Okay, so just let it run. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Alright, so let it run. Okay, so it's done already. Alright, so as you can see, there's a little bit of bubble here. I think it should be fine. So the next thing that you need to do, right, is you just need to remove this sticker. Okay, let me just try and remove it. Okay, so let me just try and remove it. Oops. Okay, alright, so the sticker is being removed. Alright, so not sure if you guys can see. Okay, so the last step, right, guys, is to just remove the front portion of this. Okay, okay, front portion of this sticker, of this skin. Right, so I think the final part is just to make sure that, you know, all the, you know, the bubble gets pushed out. Okay, so usually what I did is, okay, so usually what I do is I use a normal card, a credit card or something. You just need to push down all this bubble. Okay, if not, I think it will slowly disappear by itself. Alright, so I think there's a little bit of bubble. Right, so maybe, I don't think it's the Dbrand issue, but I think it's more of like you know, it might take a while for this bubble to disappear, right guys? So let me just try to remove it. Okay, so I think that's about it for the application for the Dbrand the screen protector. I think overall initial feel, I feel is quite solid. Okay, definitely worth it to buy. So as you can see, the bubble is being slowly pushed down. Okay, so I just need some time for it to push it down further, right? So just remember, don't use a sharp object, right? So just use a normal credit card will do. Okay, so just push it down. Okay, so I think, yeah, there you have it. Okay, so all this little bubble here, I think it will disappear by itself, right? So as you can see, there's nothing else more, just a little bit here. So I think it will disappear on its own. So I won't dwell too deep into it. So overall, guys, this is it, right? The Dbrand Screen Protector. I think the tempered glass is very solid. Okay, so I think really definitely advise you guys to check it out. Not the very perfect application, but I think I still get it done. All right, so yeah, so this is the application for the screen protector from Dbrand tempered glass. So do remember to check them out on their website. I'll link it down in the description below. So anything else you guys want to check with me, please let me know in the comment section as well. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I love you guys. Please stay safe. Okay, bye.